Hi there, you young whippersnappers. My name is Pops. Welcome to the art studios with Ms. Perna and Ms. Pilla. Ha ha.
Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Pilla Art Studios, and today we are going to be making a solar eclipse inspired art piece. All we need is oil pastels, a circle tracer, and a Kwik Stix in black. What we're going to do first is we are going to get the circle. We're going to take a piece of tape. We're going to take that tape and we are going to roll it up so that it's almost like a double-sided. Now, I had this kind of clear tape at home. You guys might end up using masking tape. You're going to take that, you're going to put it right behind on the tracer, and then what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over and you are going to place it in the middle of your black paper. Okay, that way it doesn't move. Then you're actually going to take a white oil pastel and you are going to go around that tracer, and I like to first trace nice tracing all the way around, and I'm going to make it actually pretty thick. You're going to go around and around, okay? And I also like to do this. So I'm almost like going right on top of the tracer, and then I pull like I'm creating like a sunshine around after. You keep doing that until you get all the way around. You could do this a few times to make sure that you're really getting your color down and you're making it nice and bold. You're going all the way around, so you kind of have something that looks like this. After, what you're gonna do is you can start with any colors that you want. You wanna make sure that you leave the white showing there. You can add some yellow and go all the way around with the yellow. I'm gonna come back down here. You can even take your white. The white really stands out. So my suggestion is that as you're doing this, you add a little white also to what you're coloring in the first place in those spots. And you're gonna keep creating some kind of an interesting pattern that goes all the way around, almost like you're making like a rainbow type design. You could use any colors you want. There's no rules to that at all. And you're just gonna go around until you fill this entire area. So as you noticed, I started adding more color right on top. So you can choose spots to now go back and mix some more oil pastels and add different colors right on top. Add as much as you want, and you just keep going around like this until you yourself are happy with the design. You can go back in to this area right here and add more yellow or whatever color you choose that you want. You just keep going, and as you're doing this, you will notice that it starts to blend. When you really get to the point where you're happy and you're satisfied with how you are doing with your design, what you can do, I'm gonna add a little bit more white actually, because the white really makes the oil pastel stand out. What you can do is you could also start to blend. So what I do is I work my way from the middle and I pull out. So I'm pulling all the way out and I have to hold it firmly, and I just keep going around, pulling out, and now I'm really pulling down and pulling away from that center, so that as I'm doing that, it's really blending the colors in beautifully, and you can see any areas that you think you need to add. I'm going to continue working on this until I have my final piece that I'm ready with. So I think now I am definitely excited about how this looks, and I think that I am ready to remove this center area. Now I know I said Kwik Stix. I'm gonna give this a try and see how it goes. If we don't have any Kwik Stix available, we could actually just use the oil pastel black. That's fine as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carefully peel this off, as you can see, okay? And I have my awesome solar eclipse inspired art. However, I really want to make this stand out even more. So I'm just going to take that Kwik Stick and gently just going to follow the same little circle, because I don't want to really go on top. I'm going to follow the same circle, and I'm just going to outline it a little bit, because I think that the black really pops. If you leave just the construction paper, it just doesn't look as vibrant and bold. So I'm just gonna give it a little whirl inside, and there you have it, boys and girls. This is our solar eclipse inspired artwork. I hope you had fun, and have a good time, and be safe watching your solar eclipse today. Bye-bye.